Guten Tag, Anja here. So Barrel has passed and we are back to normal. I had a couple of clients reach out to me after not having electricity for a week, 7 days. They asked me if it would make sense to install an in-house generator to add value to the house when they, down the line, want to sell the house. So doing some research and talking to an appraiser, found out that if you install an in-house all-house generator, so everything, fridge, AC, lights, everything is powered by the generator, you might get 20–30% of what you paid. So you're not getting the $10,000, $15,000, $16,000 back, but at least a couple of thousand that will add value to the house. And it's a great marketing tool if you sell it to say, we have a generator. Don't worry about the electricity. We got you covered. Hope that helps. Bye.